What's good, y'all? It's EATT Great, and we back with another video. What's good, y'all? It's EATT Great, and we finally back with another video. What's good, y'all? It's EATT Great, and we back with another video. It's been a great, some months. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video before this video get any further. What's good, y'all? It's EATT Great, and we back with another video. What's good, y'all? It's EATT Great, and we back with another video. It's been a long time. It's been a couple weeks. You know about this greasy bag what we eating on it. Got my ketchup. Can't have too much ketchup now. What's up, y'all? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video before we get any further. I made it great if you're new. Either way. First bite, take that bite, take a bite, take a bite. I'm over here down with my hot ass fries. Are you laughing at me? Got 5 guys. Damn. Got 5 guys today, y'all. Oh, I gotta take a thumbnail. Hopefully they took that picture. You don't believe? I got a whole bag full. You ain't gonna eat. Sitting there down. Cajun fried, boy. Yes, sir. Oh. And y'all know I had to go get dessert. Y'all know. Y'all know. guy said, that nigga crazy. I wouldn't be. I'm starting to like complete strangers now. I don't like people that's gonna get jumped. They ain't worth my name.
I don't know you want to be a stranger because you don't know them. They don't know you. They don't know no more than what you
I'm just saying, a stranger will do more for you than some family member.
But I know that for a fact. You don't have to tell me that. Main road people, I know.
Never did care. You were the only one. By the looks of it.
I take pride in what I do. I like to look good. I like to smell good. I like to look back and be satisfied with what I. If you're satisfied with your work, that's the main thing. If you ain't satisfied with what you've done, you can't expect nobody else to be satisfied. You just don't give a damn. That's the only way to feel.
Now see, that's why I walked away from myself good.
Too legit.
We ain't gotta go back up there today. But I am up. Georgia, take me over at the mall. If I take you drop you off to work, because they say they close at 2 on Saturday. So we got you go in at 1. You definitely get on there and get it tomorrow.
I'm just letting you know I showed. Yeah, I told. Alright, y'all, I'm getting full. I'm done here. I'm getting full. I don't give a damn if you don't eat them fried.
Somebody side of mashed here.
Oh, y'all. Food delicioso. But yeah, y'all, more videos. Just quick little mukbang for y'all. Watch me eat. Mom making fun of me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video. Stay the great. And I see y'all when I see y'all.
Star Wars. This is so